This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. So these are my Rincon, iVUE Rincon glasses that I use for filming when I do repairs. And the battery that lives over here in the temple part of the right temple, it's worn out. So what I've done is removed this plate that lives right there, and it has two Philipshead screws, one here, really tiny screws. This one is covered by a sticker. This one is covered by a little piece of rubber, like a little rubber plug, and you just can pry it out with a small standard head screwdriver, and then remove the two Philipshead screws, and then you can get this battery out that lives inside this temple area. And this is a 3.7 volt 500 milliamps battery, and DC battery, 1.85 WH. Then it has a number on it. It's probably the part number is 20170512, and then a very top number is HYY 731642. I got a battery that has the same values, but it's dimensionally a little bit too big to fit inside, so I'm going to mount it on the outside, cut a little relief in this plate so that I can put it here, and I'll wrap that with some black electrical tape, and I think that'll do the trick. Mine was just doing great, but it had less and less recording time. It was down to about 8 minutes, and then it would run out of battery. So this battery had just cycled too many times, and I'm gonna be replacing it. I'll try to find you guys this exact part too, so you don't have to do an outside mount. You can mount it inside the temple where it's supposed to go. But pretty easy to do. Just need a soldering iron, cut the wires, and just splice it in. This is the battery that I ordered and put on the Rincon glasses externally mounted because it was a little bit too big, but it seems to work really well. Just had to put it in on the outside. And here's one that I think will actually fit. It's got pretty much the same characteristics, but it's the right dimensions, so it should fit in okay. Now I've got that panel closed. There's the battery on the outside, and then I'm going to put those two little Philipshead screws in there, and there. So this is the Rincon glasses with the battery externally mounted, and I did a little test with it prior to replacing the battery. I was getting about maybe 9 minutes of recording time. I pressed a little button there, and then about in 9 minutes it would just stop recording. Now with this new battery, I got up to 30 minutes, and I just turned it off, but it probably would have got, I'm guessing, maybe 45 minutes of recording time. So that's one way you can get the Rincon glasses working good again without having to buy a new pair. You can just replace that battery. Thanks so much for watching our video on how to repair the iVUE video glasses. They're a great product, and this allows you to keep them going a little bit longer. So thanks for watching again, and please subscribe.